Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, what we are really going to see is whether it is possible to upload the test case in TestRail without expected result and test steps. Because if you see some test management tool, you really have to maintain certain fields to be filled in order to upload in the test cases. But in TestRail, we are going to see whether this is possible or not. So I've already tested. Okay, so this actually works for me. So basically, like, I'm not going to show you like to download template or anything like that, because in TestRail you can use any format. It's all about mapping at the end of the day. Okay, so in order to upload the test case in TestRail, first all you need is like just to convert your file to CSV format. Okay, so the file which I'm having right now here. So these are the test cases that I'm planning to upload in the TestRail. Okay, so as you can see, I have some sample test case already in the test suite. Okay, with some basic steps and expected result. Okay, so here in my cases, I'm just gonna upload only the just a description or not any expected result or test steps. So there might be a cases where maybe you don't have a time to upload a scenario or test cases, like, with steps and expected result, because it could be very basic test. So those cases, this will be helpful. So let's see the steps, what are things need to follow. So this file currently in the Excel format, so this will not work. So what I will do is I'll just rename. I will just change the format. Sorry, you can choose this one, CSVT meter, and maybe it's for differences you can change it file name as well. Okay, so as you can see, there is already 3 test cases are there. I'm going to upload. So here I'm going to just change it into Google Docs. Okay, so here this will differ, guys. So if you are uploading a test case with more number of steps, means you have to choose this one. But in our cases, we are just going to upload only the scenario alone, so we are going to choose this option like a text. Okay, so here this is what we have to map. Okay, so right now I didn't download any exact format which TestRail has suggested, anything like that, because you can customize anything in your own CSV file and you can still upload in a TestRail. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to map it to title. That's it. Other fields I'm not going to map anything. So as you can see, this is the only part I'm mapping to title. Okay, then you will next. So it says 18 test case found. Let's see the numbers. Yes, 18 test case we have here. That's it. As you can see, all the 18 test cases are now uploaded here. See, when you click it, that's it. See, it does not have any expected result, does not have any steps, but still we can able to upload in the TestRail. Okay, so the Excel upload will work. Okay, like through the CSV format. The other test cases you can see, like, see, these two you won't see in the new test cases. So that is how it can be done, guys. So it will be useful, like, where we have to test very minimum cases or very minimum basic scenarios you have to test. So for that, probably you don't have steps and expected result to write it something. So that time you can use this method. Okay, you can still, it will still work. Okay, you can able to successfully upload here. Okay, the other tools might have some restriction. I'm not really sure, because I have a, in my experience, I in ALM and something for certain version, like it's like very strict conditions are there, like you have to fill this column like that, otherwise it will never upload. So here in TestRail it's not like that. Okay, you can still upload without any test steps and expected result. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe button. We're going to post a lot of videos like this in upcoming days and weeks. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you all.